You must have heard about this one. Walmart is coming after Kanye West. You heard about this one, Will?
No, I didn't.
He was showing off, I guess, what might be, could be, maybe is the new Yeezy logo. And Walmart said, hey, that's our logo. What you up to? And he also had happened to be reading, remember that picture emerged? He was reading a Walton book, one of the Walmart founders.
Was he?
I'm just going deep now. I just remember a picture. He was reading up on it, and people, make sure I'm right about this, because people were like, why are you reading that book? Walton? There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, you had it, dude.
Where?
Maybe you didn't. You gotta put Kanye West Walmart book. And then we're gonna get it. There we go. Wait a minute. Maybe not good enough. Oh, this is gonna be tough. You're getting the latest news story more than the other one. But I'm telling you, a few days ago, he was holding on to. Now you're making me want to look. Walton book. Read. Oh, here we go. 7 days ago. Kanye West.
Oh, is it on Twitter?
Reading a book about entrepreneur Sam Walton is inspiring because it shows that even a billionaire is always learning. The next generation going to be reading books about Kanye West. Okay, so he had the Sam Walton book in his hand.
Okay.
So it's kind of interesting that, that was posted 7 days ago or whatever it was around there. And now we have Walmart upset about his new trademark application. Now, there's two trademarks. Okay, Walmart is on the right. It looks kind of like a sun. Looks like I'm going to get a good price on something. Looks like,
yeah.
So it looks like a sun. It has these tubular kind of spikes, I guess. Now, the Yeezy logo, the proposed Yeezy trademark, is not the same number, is it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spikes.
It's the same, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Oh, no.
No, there's an extra line there in the center. So, and then it's dots instead of these solid. Will wants to say something.
No.
Go ahead.
No, you're describing.
No, I know, but I felt like you had a strong react.
No, it was just a deep inhale. That's
okay.
Go on.
So it's the Yeezy logo on the left. It's the Walmart logo on the right. And what happens is when you go to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, any company that sees something that looks like theirs, they can challenge a logo or trademark and say, no, it's too much like ours. Because the Yeezy trademark application is pretty recent. Obviously, the Walmart one's been around for a while. The Walmart logo since 2007, and the Yeezy documents were first filed or proposed logo in January 2020.
Okay.
So obviously, it's more recent.
Yeah.
Now, the question becomes, are they so similar that you feel like Walmart has a point, or are they different enough that you're like, what are you doing, Walmart?
What's your thoughts on it first?
Oh, you really don't want to answer this one. Okay, all right. Give you a couple shots here now. Apparently, Walmart's been trying to get in touch with Yeezy as well. And to date, we have not received any conclusive information from Yeezy regarding the planned use or any cooperation from Yeezy in order to find common ground. So they were trying to get in touch with Yeezy to say, look, we just want to make sure you're not opening stores with that logo, let's say. Big blue stores with that logo.
Right.
Like usually what happens with these things, they want to know, okay, how are you going to use it?
Yes.
If it's not crossover to what we're doing, then we can just make a deal.
Sure, yeah.
Well, apparently he hasn't been responsive to it. I think they're different enough. Mm-hmm. That's my feeling. I realize it's roughly the same shape, and in this picture, roughly the same scale, but the dots for me are different enough.
Well, this is just the logo. They don't have the Walmart.
No,
is that the logo?
No, that's the logo right there.
Oh, is Yeezy's brand gonna have like some other?
It might. I presume they could use it however they see fit, right? They could put Yeezy the word beside it or not. It's up to them, right?
Now, yeah, color would make a difference as well.
Sure.
If Yeezy becomes yellow and blue, that's going to be a problem. But I agree with you. I think it's different enough,
Yeah.
you know.
And Yeezy's a big business, by the way, reportedly now worth 6.6 billion. Or that's Kanye. Apparently, the Gap deal is worth 3.2. He is reportedly worth 6.6 billion. And the Yeezy partnership with Adidas and his clothing line Gap are worth a combined 3.2 to 4.7. So anyway, whatever. It's billions of dollars. So I guess Walmart wants to find out, but
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's been hard to. I don't know. I think they're different enough. Whatever.
Yeah.